Next, we'll focus on the setup of FB ads. In your Boutier homepage, select Promotion. At Facebook Advertising, tap on Create. Then, click Setup Now and connect your Facebook account. Choose your Facebook Business Manager and connect Facebook to Boutier. Once connected, you'll see your Facebook page information and you can start creating ad. A brief summary will appear. You can read through and select your relevant ad campaign. Over here, you can top up ads credit to Boutier in order to launch your ad campaign. Please note that all packages include Facebook ad spend and a 15% ad optimization fee. Next, you can choose either easy or advanced settings. For easy settings, Boutier will assist you in setting up for ad campaigns based on your store category and recommended budget and duration for you. For advanced settings, you can customize your ad campaigns based on your preferences. Select Expand Audience Dynamic Advertising. You can choose the products that you want to display in the ads. A minimum of 5 products needed to be chosen. Next, add your advertising description. You see the preview of your ad by tapping on Preview Ad. Once done, click Create Ad Content. Moving on, you can set your target customer group of your ad campaign. Add new target audience group and customize your customer group based on your preferences. Tap Done and select Save as to save your customer group. For budget and ad duration, you can set the time period of your ad campaign. Please note that the minimum daily budget for the ad campaign is RM30 in order to achieve the best advertising performance. Once done, you can choose to create ad content or save it as a draft. You may edit this in the future. That is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.